and shows the dummy is Malinga Danuja. Malinga Danuja will be going down for the first Amana Bank try.
දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස්ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස්ටෙක් ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණය.
Welcome to the live coverage of Dialogue School Rugby League 2026. It's a Super Saturday and Mahanama College hosted St. Joseph's College. We are bringing you these live pictures live from Air Force grounds.
Yes, the Josephians losing out. Josephians losing out to the Pete Rice and losing the shield. So it was definitely big momentum shift for both sides, and about 3 or 4 changes we can see. Akshan Rashmita coming in for the Jaya Sundara, who played for the last 2 matches, and then a new name, Mr. Aswell.
Mahanama College, the front row, Sethika Fonseca, Shashimal Savind, Nemith Kumarasinghe be the front row, while Targi Bandara and Vidura Adipattu. We are all set to begin. Here's Ratnayaka kicking things off. Good pressure coming off from Mahanama College. Early mistakes. Rana Singh, and this time Mahanama do contest. And that's the first Amana Bank try for St. Joseph's College.
He will be the first to score for the Josephians, and unsuccessful conversions, just not finding the right sweet spot there. Kandappa.
Here's the danger man Ratnayaka, the captain for today's encounter. Dion Peters giving away.
Don't roll away. This number 22.
Yes, that was Aswell. Vihanga Seneth puts the first points for Mahanama College.
How can Mahanama turn it around? Juggles with the ball, Sudarshan. Swain collects it. Rana Singhe searching for the ball. At the back of it, the ball going forward, and a hand coming out as well. And the Josephians touchdown for the second Amana Bank try.
He's not an unconverted 2 tries. Loses the ball in contact, and Mahanama Kumarasinghe with the ball. Here's Malindu. St. Joseph's attempting to there you go, yellow card. Shavin D'Souza, deliberate knock on, says referee Aruna Shantha, and St. Joseph's are now down to 14 players.
So Mahanama will have the 1-man advantage, but they are opting to go for the penalty. Their 1-man advantage will be from the backs there.
Vihanga, he gets his second penalty. The young scrummer for Mahanama College from the scrum. There you go. Goes through the open side. Captain Ino Silva will score the third Amana Bank try. Easy peasy for the Josephian skipper. And he's successful with the goal conversion. Brian Fernando. Little chip kick.
Thank you.
There you go.
Captain, number 13.
Number 13, the captain, the culprit.
Number 15, yellow.
It's number 15, Nethum Nimviru, the culprit who made the tackle on Rashmita, and Nethum Nimviru will join Shavin D'Souza in
10 meter.
the sin
10
bin
meter back, please.
for the next 10 minutes.
Gives it out to Dion Fernando. Fernando, the other Fernando, but the ball is intercepted here. Number 14, Aishka Ratnayaka will be sprinted down. Yes, Kure at the back of it, but Ratnayaka will be going down for the first Amana back try for the Mahanama lads, and the yellow shirts will have a score.
Okay.
Wilson Josephs opt for points. They take a quick tap, Brian Fernando, and gives it to Kure. Chanel Kure scores the fourth Amana Bank try for St. Joseph's College. Good bit of thinking from the vice captain, who is now in charge with the captain being out for blood bin. That's a beautiful conversion, beautiful goal conversion
Half time.
to end the
Vice
first
captain
half.
number 10.
St. Joseph's 24 points, Mahanama College 6 points. Here at Ratmalana, it's a super Saturday. 7 Dialogue Schools Rugby League matches being played. That's the halftime confirmation. St. Joseph's 24, Mahanama 6.
Perfectly Swiss Tech Aluminium. නඩත්තු වියදම් නැති ජාත්‍යන්තර සහතික සමග වසර 30ක් දක්වා වගකීමක් ඇති Swiss Tech Aluminium. ඔබත් කොටේෂන් එකක් අරගෙන බලන්න.
Still 2 players in the sin bin.
And shows the dummy is Malinka Danuja. Malinka Danuja will be going down for the first Amana Bank try for Mahanama. Wonderful stuff from the fly up there, a show and go, and that reads 11 points to 24.
Captain. Yes.
Easy conversion for Ratnayaka. It's game on. 24 points to 20.
Good.
Good collection
In
from
ball. Number
Sudarshan.
4. Number
And St. Joseph's College scoring their 5th Amana Bank try through Dion Peter to extend the lead to 9 points. Brian Fernando with the conversion.
No.
And it's not successful.
St. Joseph with last grasp defense here. They do not want to let Mahanama with that reply.
roll away.
Total shift of
Leon.
momentum. Total different ball game Mahanama is showing us here in this second half.
Back.
Malinda Danuja will be there at the back of it, and the try is scored, and that's the third
On your touch.
Amana Bank
High
try
look in. High look in.
for Mahanama coming their way.
No.
Rashmida to Satira Gunatilaka, gives it out to Brian Fernando, and Cheektana Jaisinga is in the corner for the Amana Bank
Oh.
try. Jaisinga, fresh legs there and scoring for the Josephians in the right hand touch corner.
Here's Fernando with an opportunity with the goal conversion. It's not successful.
Play on.
So the ball will be shifting
Look,
hands
advantage, not
from the
10
Josephians, and Sanaka Kure takes it quickly, and that's going to be some trouble there. We will have a few minutes of stoppage here with a big shuffle going. Mahanama,
This is not ideal. Players going at each other. Nihindu Bandara will receive a yellow card for that tackle, and Manindu Gunawardana, who came in and punched a Josephian player, will receive a red card. And Mahanama will play the rest of the game with only 13 players. That led to the scuffle, having plenty of issues with his blood vein. Ino Silva, Bhishma reckons should be the Swiss Tech player, perfect player of the match as we speak. Amana Bank try. And it's a successful goal conversion by Brian Fernando. And the Josephians have clinched their second win, 41 points to 25.
well, it's been an entertaining encounter, entertaining second half. Mahanama were in the hunt for the Josephians, but towards the end, Josephians seemed to get their act together and just knew what to do to sprint to the finish line. So the Josephians ultimately coming out winning 45 points to 21, and that's going to be a huge momentum shift from their perspective. They will be facing Wesley College next week at CRNFC, while Mahanama also gave a really good second half here, showed what they are made of. They've been improving from game to game, but still unsuccessful to find their first win of the season. That big W still far away from them, as they will be facing Prince of Wales next week. Here's the full-time confirmation, 45 points to 21, and Josephians taking the win.
Mahanama 3 tries, 2 conversions and 2 penalties, while the Josephians scored 7 tries and converted 3. Swiss Tech perfect player of the match, the Josephian captain Ino Silva.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් නැද්ද මුදලාලි? අතන කඩේ 140ක් දෙන්නම් කිව්වා.
බෑග් වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මාගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.